'Cause I'm TNT, I'm dynamite. TNT, and I will not.
Alright. Big Red has noticed this one lonesome tree in a clear cut, and he don't like it. So he decided to get rid of it. And everything Big Red does is big. So he got his trusty dirty 06. He finna get rid of this tree. And we're gonna watch. Alright, Big Red, it's all you. Fire in the hole.
It's gonna be loud.
Holy shit!
Woo! Woo! Big Red!
Big Red!
Yeah.
Hey.
That's how Big Red does it. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Got him,
Oh yeah.
Oh, Big Red did the trick on this. God almighty. Blew it all the way to the ground. Look at him in there. Say it's too hot. Yes, it, goddammit, don't hell he let off. Go, hey, go back far as you can. Go. Yeah.
Big Red stuck.
Keep going. Go, 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 go. Don't quit. All right, now go forward. Go. Don't let off.
He don't know how to gas it.
He don't know how to fucking drive.
Let me gas it. I'm holding down the gas.
You got it now, Big Red.
Oi! Oi!